how to set up fund password on Bybit app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up a fund password on the Bybit app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Bybit app on your mobile. Over here, click on the top left icon. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Then click on security on the left side. Over here, you will see the fund password option. Just click on that. Now input your fund password. After that, confirm the password by entering it again. Then click on confirm. Once you have set up your fund password, it will help secure your account. So that's how you can set up a fund password on the Bybit app. That's all for this video.